Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. I haven't posted a video for quite a while. I've been really busy and haven't felt well. Had a cold and sort of like the flu. But been working a lot on these clocks and I really want to clean everything up before I post another video, but realize that's probably not going to happen for a while. So this is the third version of clock I've been working on, and I really like this one. It's geared and there's no visible motor. It works off of a little pendulum mechanism, which I obtained from eBay, and they're fairly reasonable. This is the way it comes, and I just have to tear it apart to take out the actual little printed circuit board, and then there's motors on the bottom. Magnets on the bottom that actually then drive the pendulum. As you can see, this one picked up a screw, but so I've come up with a way to do it either with just a battery. The way it was originally designed, or I've been able to incorporate a USB connection in it, and it just replaces the two AA batteries. Not sure which one I like best. They each have their advantage. The battery one has no cord, and then the USB one has no batteries, so not sure the best way to do it. But I had a friend of mine that wanted one that custom printed all black, so that's what I'm doing this one for. And this was the first one I made, and it's just running off batteries. You can see there's nothing comes out the back. There's just two batteries in the bottom. And the way this works is that little mechanism, it's got a coil, and when the magnet goes over it, it senses it and then gives a little extra push each direction. So they're fun to make. It's a little tricky to tune them. Each one has to be tuned individually. This one, I came up with the right pawl mechanism, or settings. There's 4 different pawls. This is the active pawl right here, and then the static pawl it's called. So you have to come up with the right combination so that it doesn't miss a step and it doesn't go an extra step. So this one, you'll see, if it'll take just a second, there it goes, and it's just starting to click just one pawl at a time. And then once you get that working, then the height of the bob is what adjusts actual timing on it. This one right now is, I think, about 10 minutes slow a day, so I've got to work on it some more. But if you follow me at all, you know I have to modify things, so I've done quite a few mods on this. The USB connection's been one. The other thing, originally had thinner rods, and I had trouble with those bending. So I changed that a little bit. But it's fun because you can print gears in different colors and just do whatever you want with it. So this one's all black. And I've got some here. This one's gold. I sort of like these PETG. It's a funny color. I'll put it in the description. But it's from Greengate 3D. Now I've got more faces and backs in here, and more gears in here, and gears everywhere. So it's just taking over my life here. But had a lot of fun with these, and I'll post some more updates on them. But I'm trying these silver ones also. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions with this, I'll put a link to the clock design. It's pretty reasonable. Steve Peterson, he did a great job. He's got a 50-page manual on how to build these things. He spent a lot of time doing it, and it's $12 for the design, which I thought was very reasonable. Well, thanks for watching.